ever experienced production equipment stop due to the compressor pressure shortage or error? There are many customers struggle with detecting these issues in a timely manner, especially when the compressors are installed outdoor, and it is hassle for workers to constantly check from a distant location. Good news for you! With PATLITE WIO series, you can easily report error to a remote location. The Bluetooth-enabled WIO can transmit I/O information wirelessly and eliminating the need for long-distance wiring. It can communicate over a distance of 100 meters in clear sight. By using the repeaters, it can report errors for up to 400 meters away. If you are interested, please contact with PATLITE. We can visit your factory and provide demonstration. Please feel free to reach out to us.